Hey guys! Happy October! Today I wanted to do a DIY craft project, but first let's see what you will be able to find in the Dollar Tree stores right now. They had a lot more fall and Thanksgiving things compared to Halloween. But I saw this wooden decor sign and thought of a craft idea to do with it. This trick-or-treat sign was from the Dollar Tree, and my goal is to paint it and then put 2 layers of resin. Then I will attach this glass cutting board that was also from the Dollar Tree. I will need to put 2 layers of resin on it because the trick-or-treat is raised, and I wanted it to be a flat surface to lay things on. In the end, I wanted it to become a table centerpiece to decorate inside the house with. So let me get to painting and I'll speed things up for you guys. If you are new and seeing this DIY project for the first time, hit the subscribe button below. I am trying to do a lot more Dollar Tree related things, and I just saw that my local Dollar Tree has resin again, so I will be testing that out and reviewing it for you guys soon. But hit the subscribe button below to see that and all other Dollar Tree related content. Now let's get back to painting. With it now completed, in order to get the cutting board to stick, I tried glue and hot glue and that didn't work. So I went with resin on the back of it and let it harden overnight. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've made it this far, drop a pumpkin or ghost emoji in the comments. I appreciate it. And subscribe below for more Dollar Tree DIY projects. I'll see you guys later.